Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, November 25th, and I'm going to be analyzing the Euro-US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way all the way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. But also don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups, my daily members-only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course are included for only $30 per month. So the euro dollar is sitting at that 50% Fibonacci retracement. If this really is like an expanding flat, it has taken out the lows. So the 50% is definitely my first target. It could end up pushing down to the 61.8, so we definitely need to see proof that it's over on shorter time frames before we start to expect that big push up for the big wave C. So let's take it down to the weekly time frame. So like I've been saying, I still think this is a double three. So 3 waves down right here for A. 1, 2, 3 waves up right here for B. And this is likely 5 waves down for C. Now, like I said, we are at the first potential target. So if we do see a break of structure on the shorter time frames, that could be the end of this move and potentially the beginning of a very large move to the upside. Heading down to the daily is where we can actually start to see this move if it does happen. So this right here is either a 1, a 2, or a wave 3, or this is an A, B, C. Now if it goes up and breaks this high right here, I will definitely start looking for longs in an uptrend. Otherwise, the daily trend is still down. Even though we are at this target area, we may just have another pullback and we may just have another continuation pattern. So the trend is for sure down on the daily, so we definitely want to continue to look for shorts. If it does go up and break structure, then we'll definitely start looking for longs, and yes, that's a long ways up. And you may feel like you're missing out if you wait for this, but you're going to have a way better confirmation that we really are in that big move to the upside if you are patient enough. Going down to the 4 hour time frame. So this is my structure level right here. Unless it breaks this high right here, I'm only looking for shorts. So this move up that we currently have is likely just another correction to this last wave down. Just like every single one of these pullbacks in the past was just a correction to the previous wave. So we don't know that the trend is over until the market goes up and gives us a nice clear break of structure. Taking it right down to the 1 hour time frame. So like I said, on the 1 hour time frame, the trend is definitely down. Now we do have a pretty nice impulsive move to the upside, as you can see, but that only proves to me that this last series of lower lows, lower highs is over. We may now be in a correction to that last series of lower lows, lower highs. So we need to watch very, very closely if this makes an A, if this makes a B, and then goes up and makes like a wave C, maybe to the 78 or the 61%, with a nice big engulfing move to the downside, then I definitely would take it as another short. Whether it happened at the 61, 78, it doesn't really matter. If it makes 3 waves up to a Fibonacci level, nice big engulfing move to the downside, I definitely will continue to look for shorts, unless it goes up and takes out this high. If it goes up and takes out this high, I will be more than happy to start looking for longs in a uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord group, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.